Another episode on Real Gist with Moonbeam. On the gist today, man was stabbed over 3,000 naira debt. It was gathered that Chukwuma visited his older brother on the 2nd of April at Odukokoro area in Ikorodu North Local Council Development Area, Lagos State, during which the deceased asked his brother to pay the 3,000 naira he owed him. They both engaged in an argument over the 3,000 naira, which resulted into fight. The pregnant wife of the deceased tried to stop them, but she couldn't. She went and called the neighbors, but before they could arrive, the husband was already lifeless. Chukwuma stabbed his older brother, Uchenna, on the stomach. The spokesperson of the Lagos State Police Command, Muyiwa Adejobi, confirmed the incident. You see, physical combat is a primitive way of settling disputes because it could lead to injuries and even loss of life, as it is in the instant case. Physical combat may not be necessary when both parties involved in the dispute can still reason, because with good reasoning, physical combat can be avoided. Those who resort to physical combat in settling scores have lost their sense of reasoning and have descended to the lowest level of humanity. At that level, anything can happen because they fight death. In order to ensure sanity and maintain the courage, we should try not to take to physical combat because it takes away the good quality of humanity from us. Some persons, when they are in need, they use kind words and sweet talk people into borrowing them money. When it's time to pay, they divert the money into taking care of their personal needs, forgetting the fact that they promised to pay. And this has caused lots of problems in our society. Here are a few steps we can take to avoid using physical combat to settle disputes. The need to put ourselves in the shoes of the other party. Once you can imagine yourself in the position of the other person, you cannot easily go into fight with him. Now, we should try not to use intemperate expressions. In other words, mind your tongue, as words that comes out of your mouth cannot be taken back. And it matters a lot. Words can make and mar. Avoid using inflammatory words because it can add salt to the injury. Do not reciprocate to any insult of the party or person who is already infuriated, angry, and on the war path. Try to say, "I'm sorry," whenever you are wrong, because such soft words are like healing balm. These words can even bring down the ego of the person who is claiming to be right and on the war path. In case and in terms of debt, please beg for more time to pay up and avoid using loose words like "I don't have." Am I the only person owing before? How much am I even owing you? Such words cannot help in that type of situation. For us to maintain sanity, we should try to be polite, humble, and unassuming, as against arrogance, pride, and the use of loose words, which can give rise, or it's like lubricant that give rise to physical combat. This is all for today on Real Gist with Moonbeam. See you same time next week, but please click subscribe and share.
Everybody, yeah, looking at me.